Hello my friends, I record this video to briefly talk about with you some details. Perhaps our colleague already mentioned involved information through the email. Okay, first about the PCB connectors. We wonder here we mark them as two groups. AB will be the connectors that will be connected with our DC power supply. Of course, in this case, it will be battery, right? A and B. We wonder whether the A and B will be customized as the PCB connector, the connector type, or with just the bare cable, like this. Yeah, like this, just the bare cable. This is the first question about the group 1's connectors. Okay, then let's go to the group 2's. As we can see, there are three cables. That will be injecting these three cables that will be injecting to the pump body part. Okay, here we mark them as C, D, and E, and within group 2. Okay. About group 2, we will customize some proper PCB connector type. Okay. Normally, the connector should be able to handle the high current, perhaps over 10 amps, because the phase current will be normally twice when compared with the powering current. Yeah, the peak phase current. So 10 amps. Okay. Actually, such types of PCB connectors can be found on market. For example, some PCB connectors used for the UAV, unmanned flying objects. The design, they will handle the high current. This can be found, yeah, and the customization can be achieved, of course. But here we have some questions. For example, if we connect both connectors with all connectors with the PCB connector type, and there will be the cable. The cable will come out from the pump body. This will be pump body, right? And this will be cable. And cable, the ending will be the connector. Normally, the connector will be larger than the cable itself, of course. And then we wonder whether it will be convenient for you to integrate, to place this cable into the hole of your system, of your case, and then sell them. Yeah. This is a tiny detail, but it's worth to respect because the cable itself, the cable itself is here, and it is not the bare connector, but the connector, the PCB connector, and this will, without any doubt, it will be larger. So it will demand a larger hole on this part, and we will place the cable into, I guess, into here, and then we will then close it to seal it completely, right? This can be inspected about the size and convenience of the integration. Okay, and then we can talk about the. We have one question, yeah, because we wonder when at work the whole system is at work, this control case will be located underwater, submersible installation, or it will be above the water. This will be important. Because if this case is always underwater when at work, right? Then it will have quite strict demand to the waterproof class of the whole case. That includes the whole circuit part, right? Not only the pump's control circuit, but also the circuits for your systems, other components of your systems, right? So in this case, if it happens that this part is fully underwater, then it will be important to study the sealing, about what types of material, epoxy material sealing, the full sealing, and also the quality of this epoxy material, since sometimes even the material damp will cause the short circuit when the pump works after a certain period. Yeah, not just the water leakage, but the material damp. This is worth to inspect. Okay. Also, it will be more recommended that we use transparent epoxy material to seal the case. Yeah, because you can see whether it is fully sealed or not. For some black colored epoxy material, it will be not so convenient. Okay, just and then next about the size, because we will do the PCB connectors and we will perhaps add the heat dissipation module on the circuit. Yeah, so the whole size will be, without any doubt, larger than current circuit board. It will be customized. Yes, and we can take the whole control box size as the maximum size. That, yeah, we need sufficient room, sufficient space for this circuit, so we can take the length, width, and height of this whole control box part, current control box, as the size that will perhaps be ready for this circuit board. Okay, so these are several simple yet important details discussion, and we can talk in further. We can talk in further so that we can start the customization. Yeah.